Okay, good morning. This is my next project. I have a coffee machine here. It's a Nescafe Dolce Gusto. Apparently, there's no water coming out. If you lift here, there's a pot that you put in there, but inside there is a little place where it punctures the pot, but no water is coming out. So you just switch this thing on. Let's see what is going on here. There's a button here. You press it, and then there's no coffee. Now you roll it here. So the amount of you get the size of the coffee. I don't know where you press it, and there's a cold button and a hot. I don't know what is that for. Let's just put this thing in. I don't know how you start this thing. There's it. You can hear the pump is running, but no water is coming out. Okay, so this is the issue, and then there's flashing red here. So there's a problem. Okay, the best is to open it and see what's going on inside. Okay, let's open here. There's no screws in there, so it looks like we have to lift this thing somehow. There's the type of a clip underneath here. So that makes this thing so difficult that you can't open this stuff. You have to destroy the whole thing to open it. So this, you can see, here's a little clip here, but it's under this black plastic, so they go in a clip over it, so it makes it difficult for you to open it. Let's just go and destroy these things. That's the only way. There's no other way. You can maybe just put some glue in there when we finish. So I'm going to show you quickly what I did here. Here's little clips here, so I just break them off here so that we can take these things off. I think it's maybe not made to open. Once open, you throw it away, or you break it and you put new lids on or something. Okay, now the next move is to try to start lifting these things. You know, see there it cracks. So I don't know how I'm gonna manage to open this thing. It's an absolute nightmare. I just really don't know how to open this thing without, see now I'm bleeding, now without destroying the thing. Maybe let's start in the back and then don't make it so ugly. I think we'll be able to take it from the top. So here's a clip. Maybe this thing coming off first. Let's just take this thing out. I don't think so, because this is a I can see here is two one of these type of screws here. Let's try to loosen them first. This one, I think here in the back is also 4 screws. Then maybe you can remove the back part then. This is more likely how you maybe open it. Okay, now this thing can maybe come loose now. Yeah, this part, and then this back part comes off. At least we're getting somewhere now. You see, yes, a lot of these things, clips. There's a pipe. I'm still bleeding. Just try to remove these things. In front there's no screw, so this is the only way to Is it? It's coming loose. There's it out. So this, you see, there's all the residue pieces of stuff is back there. Sure. Okay, here's the element. You see, here's the element. So I think it's maybe just a descaling. There's a temperature sensor in there. Pipes. Now I have to get off the other side. Here's the same thing. Here's that O-ring that I put in here that the water leaks normally of the seal. I think we must put that one aside before it's missing. Okay, now let's take the other one off. That's it. I can open this. This is unclip the button there. Come on. So that one is broken. It's plastics. Okay, here's your electronics. And here's the pump. So obviously there's a problem with the pump. Now we're going to put, there's that little water device that turns and make it sure there's water in. Now let's, so somehow we have to, I'm going to loosen this pipe. Then I can blow in there. It's a little clip, but you just need to undo. Let's take the pipe out. Okay, now we're gonna, let's just see if you can still see, yeah? You just focus a little bit more. Okay, now I'm gonna blow in this pipe to see if the water's coming out here. See, here's the pipe, goes in here. And this is blocked. Let me just, okay, somehow I figured out it is the pump that's not good. So here's the whole pump mechanism, but here is a little small little, let me just quickly show you. Yeah, there's a small ball in here that the thing was stuck inside there. There's a little baliki there, and then there's a whole mechanism here with a spring and another ball. I'm just gonna take these things out all to sequence that I don't get confused. You see, here's the plunger that goes inside like this. There's a spring, and there's a spring, and there's an O-ring that seals it. We could clip it in. There's your housing, and there's a little plastic ball that is like a non-return valve with a spring. But in here, I couldn't blow here. So there's something wrong in here. So now it go. It's another valve inside here. So I think that was maybe stuck. Okay, let's put this thing back together again. The spring went inside there to keep this little ball. I think that's just wrong. It's the wrong way around. There's a little plastic ball in there. Now this whole thing goes in like this. Now with the ball, there's another seal, and then it clips in and it turns. So if you blow here, then you get you can go through. Okay, now there's let's put this thing back together again. There's a thing like this. a sleeve inside here, 2 sleeves, and the spacer. And this thing goes in like this, gets screwed in here, 2 screws. Okay, but I think it goes in like this. There's a little fuse, temperature fuse that is in line, and it opens when it overheats maybe. But I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fire it up, put it in water to 220 to see if it pumps. Come on, what's the issue? Take these things out. Those are out. I'm gonna put some supply line in there. Put this all to jigs, and I put my connection here. Because somehow I have to let's put some water in here, in my cup. There's water in here. Then I'm gonna put this thing inside here, the water. I hope this thing is, let's just put some water out. Then I'm gonna see if the water is coming out here. You just take a pipe, get a pipe quickly. Just stop. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna put a pipe in there. Oh, the pipe is too big. And back in there. Let's go see at least if there's water running here. I want to miss. Okay, now let's switch it on. See, nothing is happening. That thing doesn't pump any water. There's no water coming out here. Here's a problem. Just unscrew it again. See, this mechanism doesn't pump. You just trying to see where you just change this thing. There's 2 sleeves. I just want to see if there's any difference if I change the orientation of the sleeves for the magnetism to work. Okay, let's put it back again. Okay. See, now it looks like there's something coming out here. I think I can, safe to say, let's put it in there again. And let's just put the pipe in there. And then there's still water in there. And let's put the water seal back there. Let's put it back. See, now it's pumping. think it's pumping now. Obviously there was the issue. I think I just put this thing back together again. Okay, let's clean up here. Okay, now let's put this thing back. That one comes there, that one comes here. Let's just put out a screw back. Okay, now I have to put this thing in this rubber sleeve again. I think I put this one the wrong way. Let's just swap this thing quickly around. It's facing the other way. Fasten it lekker. Put this rubber back in. Put this in. So now we can put this back in the sleeves. There. 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 Always one difficult thing. And it will be the last one in the corner. Okay, that's plugged in. And let's put the water inlet. There's the small wires. Go there out of the way. Let's plug in the original pipe. Put the clampy back. Okay, that is in. She's like in a rubber mount, this whole pump story. Now let's put this valves back here. Valve, this pipe here, this pipe here. Let's put all the pipes in. Okay, all the clamps is back, and let's check the motor is back. Now let's put some clean up here, put some water. Let's clip this in there again. Okay, let's start again. Let's put it in there. I'm gonna leave this out for now. Yeah, let's put it back. I know the whole thing is working. Thing goes in there. Clips in there. Let's get the plug in the thing. Okay, it's plugged in. And Let's switch it on. Switch it on, it's heating up. Let's put the water in. I have to maneuver this thing again. It's leaking like crazy. Let's put this water in there. You can see if the water is gonna come out here. This is green. Now let's press the button and see if the water coming out. Oh shit, no, sorry. This thing must go in. So remember I said there's two magnets there in the bottom. You can see there's potting there. It recognize it, comes in. There it comes out, see. Water is lekker. Boiling water. So it was the pump that was wrong. That pump was stuck in there. Stuck something. Okay, let's make another one. See, the thing's leaking. Okay, let's switch off. Just unplug the water. This thing is, I have to check that seal again also. Okay, so now we know what was the problem with this machine. Is the pump. Water in there. So the pump was the problem. There was a, but you remove that mechanism. Be careful to check where the springs and the stuff comes. A little ball in there. Over here something was stuck. There, I push it with a screwdriver and then it release it, and now it's flowing again. And inside here is your sleeve and a spacer, another sleeve in that in the middle of the coil here. Okay, now the next thing is just to put this whole thing back together again, and I'll get back to you. Okay, and again I put some PTFE tape inside this little, inside that seal, to is that the problem is here. Let me just take this machine off here. You'll see here is the, put some seal again inside that little slot, and then you put it in there. Then it widens the little area here for that water to make fit better. Okay, the final verdict now. To open this Nestle Dolce Gusto, there's 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so 6 screws, and then you go underneath and you actually break that, or clip, try to open it or lift it over that little plastic there. 6 of them, 6 places, and then you just clip it out. It clips in here, clips the red units, 2 red sides come out. And then let's put the water back in here. I fixed the seal a bit. Plug it in there again. There's a seal, and there's a water, and here's a little thing here for the water, and here's just a little bucket. Make sure if you open here, there's little 2 magnets there on the side there, so you have to put it back for the machine to work, or you can undo that little thing there. It's just that little rubber and that puncture, the little sharp point that puncture the pot comes out, and then you go. Okay, for last, let's just plug it in quickly. Kick in, then you press the button here, then it flashes red until it's hot again. Ready. See, there's your amount of cup size that you want. and then you press the button here, and there is steam coming out. So that runs out of the timer. All your water is finished, and there is back. There's your machine again. You can switch it off. Ready for the next cup. There's your steaming water that's supposed to go through the pod. Okay, this is my story of the Nestle Dolce Gusto. It was only the pump in the side here that was blocked. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. Till next time, cheers.